Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you guys are seeing me with my natural hair. I feel like every time I film I'm always in a different hairstyle, so that's something you'll get with me. I love to change it up. But yeah, this is my little TWA teeny weeny afro. I cut my hair not too long ago. So this is it. So today, I know you guys clicked on the video because you've seen Moldavite part 2. I actually have some exciting news for you guys. So let's get right into it. So today I'm actually going to be giving away 2 free Moldavite pieces. Now they're not very large, they're quite small. I'll show you guys a picture of it, or I'll just show it to you in my little palm of my hands. Give me a second. So yes, these 2 little beauties I am going to be giving away to one of you lucky guys watching. I'm so excited. It's always good to start off small with these Moldavites because they're very powerful, and then once you handle this one and it's done what it's done with you, you are ready to go on to your larger size Moldavites. But these are genuine Moldavite. I went to my crystal store the other day and I picked 2 of them up because they were pricey. So I picked these 2 up. I'm gonna start selling Moldavite on my Etsy shop soon. I just have to find the right buyer and make it affordable for both myself and you guys. But these are 2 genuine unique Moldavite pieces that I got from my local crystal store, and I decided to do a giveaway for you guys. So how do you win or receive your free Moldavite? So I have launched my Etsy store. I'm super excited. I just love crystal stuff, and I want to be able to give you guys all the information in the crystals and all that stuff for you guys as well, and just start a little small business. One of my closest friends, she made these super cute little crystal bags. I actually went to the crystal store to try to stock my Esty store, and she was like, girl, I can make those for you. And I'm like, really? So she made these amazing little crystal pouches where you could wear your crystal closest to your heart. And you don't have to put them in your pocket or damage them. I mean, if you wear them in your pocket, that's fine. It's comfortable. But some crystals are so fragile, you don't want to scrape them. And like I said, it's always really good if you want to carry your crystal to wear it closest to your heart. So my friend, she made these beautiful pouches. I have them on the Etsy store, and they come in all different sizes. So now, how do you win your free Moldavite? The first 2 person or people to purchase one of these cute little bags, crystal necklaces, will win their free Moldavite from me. Once you make your first purchase, you can comment in the comment below. I made my first purchase, and I will reach out to you, give you get your information, and I'll ship you your Moldavite. Or once you make the first purchase, you can message me or DM me on Instagram and let me know, and then we will work out the shipping arrangements. And don't worry, none of the shipping costs will be on you. I will ship it all to you for free by supporting. And these pouches are going to be $7.99 on my Etsy store, so it's super affordable. And I have them in a different color. I'm going to show you guys a couple variety. I have them in brown and I have them in white, and like I said, I have them in different sizes, and they're just super cute and unique. And look at it, it's so cute. And also, another awesome thing is once you buy one of the pouches, you get a mystery crystal in one of your pouches, and with that crystal you get information on how to use it. So a lot of benefits there. So here you have the white one. Super cute, and it actually complements me quite well. So this is one of the white ones, or cream. There you go. And then here you have the chocolate or brown knit bag, and they're adjustable too. So if you're a taller person, I'm pretty short, you adjust it to the size you want. Let me try to show you guys the inside. So it doesn't only carry, you could bring larger crystals too. Voila! And I'm actually going to show you guys one of my big crystals, and I'm going to put it in there and so you can see it. So here I have my beautiful citrine, so I'm going to put it in there. Hold on. So as you can see, the citrine is in the bag, and then you just place it around your neck. Super cute. I love that you could bring more than one crystal, or you could just bring a large crystal or a small one. Perfect. And like I said, I have multiple different sizes on there on the Etsy shop. And I'm actually wearing mine. This is one of my favorite ones. It's so cute, and I love the multicolor. And we'll be having more inventory soon, but I'm just seeing how these ones work. But I really love them, and like I said, they're handmade, so each of them is different. And this is my peridot crystal that my husband gifted me. Love that crystal. I have to do a review on that one because when I received this crystal, like within that week, I received a audition that I auditioned for like weeks ago, and I got the role for that. So peridot is amazing, amazing. So that's me starting out, and I really appreciate you guys' support. Moldavite is amazing. I'm working so hard to get you guys those authentic Moldavites so you can experience the greatness of life and fulfill all your true desires in life. So I'm super excited, and congratulations to the future winners of the 2 free Moldavites. Once you receive your Moldavite, I want you to let me know how your experience is going. I will walk you through it. I will be there to assist, give advice, motivation. And of course, I hope once you fulfill your destiny and get all your your dreams come through with that Moldavite crystal helping you, I want to hear your story, or you can even let me know your story and I can share it on this YouTube video. So I gotta go. I gotta take care of my daughter. Thank you guys for always subscribing. I see my channel growing and it feels amazing, and I appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I hope to keep up so I don't know what is wrong with me today. I want to keep uploading new content for you guys every Sunday as much as I can. So if you have any crystals you want me to review, let me know. I have a ton if you watch my crystal collection. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Thank you guys for your support in advance. Love you all. Bye.